Hello and welcome to MemberMouse. My name is Eric Turnison and I'm the founder of MemberMouse, and I'm really excited to have you on board. In this short video, I'm going to show you the simple steps you need to go through to get MemberMouse up and running. The first thing you'll want to do is register your site URL with MemberMouse, which you can do by clicking this link here. Once you're on the My Account page, you're going to change your authorized URL by clicking this button. Now the URL that you're going to enter here is the WordPress URL that you'll get from your WordPress install. You just go to Settings, General, and then you copy the WordPress address URL. Come back here, paste it in, and click Submit. So now the MemberMouse plugin is authorized to be installed on that domain. So now what we'll do is go back to our dashboard, and then we'll download the MemberMouse plugin by clicking here. And now we'll go back over to our WordPress site, go to the Plugins page, click Add New, Upload Plugin, and then we'll browse to the location where we just downloaded the file and click Install Now, and then activate the plugin. And now MemberMouse is installed and you're ready to get started. So just go to the MemberMouse dashboard, and you'll notice on the MemberMouse dashboard that there's a number of training videos. In these training videos, I walk you through the basics of MemberMouse step by step and show you what you need to know in order to get your membership site up and running as quickly as possible. So go ahead and install the MemberMouse plugin, and then I'll see you on the inside in the other training videos. Thank you so much for choosing MemberMouse, and I'm really excited about having the opportunity to contribute to your success.
Now the first thing I'm going to do is create a product that customers can buy. So I go to MemberMouse, Product Settings, Create Product. Now in MemberMouse, a product represents a billable unit. It defines what a customer will pay you and when. You can create one-time purchase products, subscriptions, free trials, paid trials, easy payment plans, etc. So I'm going to go ahead and create a monthly subscription. I'm going to call it Bronze Standard. And below that you'll see there's a section called Associated Access. With MemberMouse, products can be purchased on a one-off basis, but they can also be associated with access rights, so that when a customer purchases a particular product, they can automatically be granted access to a particular membership level or bundle. This section allows you to specify if a product will just be purchased on a one-off basis, or if the customer purchasing the product should have a membership level applied to their account or a bundle applied to their account. We'll talk more about this later when we create membership levels and bundles. So now I'll just set the price to $10. I'm not going to set a trial, and I'm going to set a subscription of 1 month. So as it's currently configured, when a customer purchases this product, they'll be billed $10 a month. And in the description, I'll write $10 per month. Now the description is optional, but is used to display more information to the customer on the checkout page. So I'm going to go ahead and save this product. And now we can see the Bronze Standard product in the system. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a membership level. So I go to Membership Levels, click Create Membership Level, and I'm going to create a membership level that goes along with the product that we just created. So I'm going to call this Bronze Membership. And this is a membership that I want customers to have to pay for, so I'm going to set the membership type to paid. And as soon as I've done that, you'll see that a list of products that are in the system shows up. So I'll select Bronze Standard. Now what we're doing here is associating the Bronze Standard product with the Bronze membership. And what this means is that when any customer purchases a Bronze Standard product, the Bronze membership will automatically be applied to their account. Associating products with membership levels in MemberMouse is an important concept to understand. We've already talked about how products are billable units, i.e. the things that define what customers will pay you and when. And now we're creating a membership level. And membership levels is what gives members their username and password so they can log into your site and access protected content. Now in MemberMouse, you can have one or more products associated with a membership level, which means that I can create a second product called Bronze Discount, which allows me to offer a promotion where members can sign up for the Bronze membership for $5 a month instead of $10 a month. And I can even create a third product called Bronze Affiliate, which I can use to offer special pricing to referrals coming from a particular affiliate, say offering the Bronze membership for $8 a month. The power here is that we can create 3 different products with 3 different prices for different marketing scenarios without having to create multiple membership levels. This not only makes it easier to manage your membership levels, protected content, and members, but provides you with unparalleled flexibility in how you market and sell your memberships. So I'll continue moving forward. You You can set expiry settings. You can author a welcome email that's going to get sent out to new bronze members. And at this point, I'll take the opportunity to give a brief introduction to MemberMouse Smart Tags. Smart Tags are shortcodes that allow you to add all kinds of functionality to your WordPress pages without having to know anything about programming. For example, here in the welcome email, I'm using the smart tag member data. And what this will do is MemberMouse will automatically replace this with the member's first name. Here you can see we're also using the member data tag to insert the member's username. Now there are a lot more things you can do with smart tags than just insert member data. And anytime you're authoring content in WordPress, you'll have access to the smart tag library by clicking this icon here, which will pop up our smart tag library, and you'll see the groups of smart tags available to you. And by clicking on a smart tag, you'll see a brief description of the smart tag, and you'll be able to insert the smart tag by clicking this button, or view the documentation on our support center by clicking this. With smart tags, you can easily insert member data, you can insert purchase links so that people can purchase your products, you can insert dynamic links to MemberMouse core pages, and you can use our powerful decision smart tags to dynamically switch between content based on what the current member has access to. Smart tags are one of the unique tools that MemberMouse offers that make it an extremely powerful platform. And it's worth taking some time to go through the support center to familiarize yourself with the smart tags available to you. So now I'm going to go ahead and save this membership level. So at this point we've created a product that's $10 a month and associated it with a membership level so that when customers purchase that product they'll automatically be assigned the bronze membership level. A good next step from here is to integrate MemberMouse with your payment method so that you can start accepting payments on your site. To do this, we go to Payment Settings, and you'll notice that you have a couple of options. You can set up an on-site payment method, or you can set up an off-site payment method. You can even configure MemberMouse to accept both an on-site payment method and an off-site payment method. For example, on the same site, you could accept both credit card payments on your site through Authorize.net and allow customers to pay using PayPal. On-site payment methods allow your customers to insert credit card data right on your site, while off-site payment methods will send them to a third-party site to complete their purchase. For this demo, I'm going to set up Authorize.net. So I just click Authorize.net, and I've already entered my API login ID and transaction key, so I'm going to go ahead and just click Save Payment Methods, and click OK. Now this is a good point to mention our comprehensive support center. While I'm going through this video, I'm going to give a brief overview of a lot of concepts in MemberMouse so I can tie everything together for you and get you started quickly. Although when you go to do this yourself, you may want more information or more guidance, at which point the support center is going to be extremely helpful to you. We have a contextual help-based system in MemberMouse, so at any point on any page, if you need help, you just go to the upper right-hand corner and click Need Help. This will automatically take you to the support center and filter the articles based on the page you're just on. So since I was just on the Payment Methods page, the first article I see is Payment Overview, so I can click on that, and from here it gives me a brief overview, and if I want to integrate with Authorize.net, I can just click here, and then we have a step-by-step video for configuring Authorize.net, along with a write-up going through the same steps. We have step-by-step video walkthroughs for almost every configuration screen in MemberMouse, in addition to numerous support articles that answer specific questions. So anytime you need help, all you need to do is click the Need Help button, and you'll be presented with the resources you need to answer your questions. So now that we've created a product, associated with a membership level, and integrated with our payment method, we're ready to start accepting payments from customers. So now let's go ahead and create a sales page where customers can purchase our product. We just go to Pages, Add New, and I'm going to call this Sales Page. Now what you would normally do on a sales page is put all sorts of marketing copy on there to promote your product. But to keep things simple, all I'm going to do is demonstrate how to utilize a MemberMouse smart tag to create a purchase link so customers can purchase your product. So I'll start by opening up the smart tag library, opening up the orders group, and clicking on purchase link. And again, if you want to see detailed documentation on the purchase link smart tag and see different sample usages for the smart tag, click View Documentation and it will take you to the support center. But I'm just going to go ahead and click Insert Smart Tag. And you'll notice that it automatically generates a link for me. And now all I need to do is insert the ID of the product that I want customers to buy when they click this link. So I'll put my cursor in these quotes and click here. This is the ID lookup tool. And we can use it to look up IDs of different items in the MemberMouse system, such as products, bundles, membership levels, etc. And we see right here that we have our bronze standard product. The ID is 2. I'm just going to click the plus icon to insert 2. And now I'm going to go ahead and publish this. And now if we click to view this page, we can see we have a simple buy now link, and when I click on it, it takes me to MemberMouse's built-in checkout page and shows us that we're purchasing the bronze membership. The price is $10, and here's that product description we entered that lets us know it's $10 a month. Now before I move on, I just want to point out that I'm using the default WordPress theme. So every page that I show you on the sample membership site that I'm building right now looks the way it does because of the default WordPress theme I'm applying to the site. Now if you're familiar with WordPress, you'll know that there's literally thousands of themes available to style your site any way that you want. And MemberMouse is compatible with the majority of themes out there. In our support center, we have a list of recommended theme providers. Just go to the support center and type in WordPress theme providers. And between the sites we've listed there, you'll be able to browse hundreds of professional, premium WordPress themes that can easily be applied to your MemberMouse site. Now before I go ahead and purchase this product, I want to go back to our sales page and show you something else. Now I just showed you how to create a purchase link by using the Smart Tag library, inserting it, and then looking up a product ID using the ID lookup tool. But there's actually a shortcut to creating your purchase links. All you need to do is go to Product Settings. I'm going to open this in a new tab. And you'll see our product right here, and then you'll see a Purchase Links column. I click on that, and you'll see that that purchase link that we just created by using the Smart Tag library is already created for us and the product ID already inserted for us. So I can just click on this and copy it, go back to our page, and paste that in. So that's just another way that you can create purchase links. Now I'll also take this opportunity to point out that MemberMouse has some built-in Web 2.0 button styles that you can take advantage of. For example, all I would need to do is type in class and update it. And now when I view the page, you'll notice that we have a nice big green button that says Buy Now. And with our built-in button styles, there are over 60 different styles of buttons that you can create. And you can find out how to do that by going to our support center, and in the search field just type in button styles. And the first article that shows up is using MemberMouse button styles. And you'll see in this article, it shows you all the different button styles you can create and how to create them. Now I'm going to open up our sales page in another browser and make a test purchase. So here we are on our sales page, and I see the big Buy Now button. So I go ahead and click that, which takes me to the checkout page and indicates to me that I'm purchasing the bronze membership for $10 a month. Now you also notice that all of the form fields are filled out already with account information, billing details, and billing address. This is because I've configured MemberMouse to use test data. And this is a really neat and time-saving feature you can utilize while you're building your site, so that when you're testing everything, you don't have to constantly retype information in. And where possible, we also integrate with Payment Method's development sandboxes, which will allow you to test all of your site functionality without having to use real money. To find out more about using test data and integrating with development sandboxes, visit our support center and go to the Payment Settings category. For now, I'm just going to go ahead and submit this order. So now the order went through successfully, and I'm taken to the confirmation page where it can see details about this order. Now the checkout page and the confirmation page are simply MemberMouse core pages, and you have complete control of the content. I'll discuss core pages in detail later in this video, but at this point I just want to point out that what you saw on the checkout page and what you're seeing now on the confirmation page is all completely customizable right within the WordPress content editor. So now that a customer has purchased a product from us, we can go back into MemberMouse and go to the Manage Members screen, and we'll now see that we have one member in our system, and we see that they signed up for the bronze membership level. On the Manage Members screen, you can see an overview of all the members in your system, and you have an advanced search tool to be able to easily find members when you need to edit their accounts. For now, I'm just going to give you a brief overview of the member details area. So I'm going to click on this member's email address, which takes me into the member details area. And from here, I can see various statistics about their account, what pages they've accessed, how many times they've logged in, when's the last time they logged in. I can edit their account information. I can go to Manage Access Rights, where I can see the current membership level they're on, and from here I can change their membership level, cancel it, pause it, lock their account. I can go to Transaction History, and I can see the payments that this customer has made. In this case, they've paid us $10 for the bronze standard product. And right from here I can see if any affiliate was responsible for that purchase, and I can issue a refund. Now I've just scratched the surface and shown you the basics of the member details area, but there are a lot of powerful tools available to you for managing your members. And to learn all about them visit our support center, and view the Member Details category. Or if you have a particular question about any of the screens in the Member Details area, just click the Need Help button from the screen that you're on. So at this point, we've created a product, associated it with a membership level, integrated with a payment method, purchased that product as a customer from the checkout page, and then viewed the details of the new member's account in the Member Details area. During that process, as a customer, we interacted with the checkout page and the confirmation page, both of which are MemberMouse core pages. Now I want to talk more about MemberMouse core pages. So I'll just go to Pages. Now MemberMouse core pages are simply WordPress pages that have special meaning to MemberMouse, which allows MemberMouse to automatically improve the user experience and create opportunities for you to interact with your members in a targeted way without you having to do any programming. For example, the Save the Sale core page is a page that a member will be sent when they attempt to cancel their account. This gives you an opportunity to make a special offer to the member to keep them on as a customer. The checkout page is where customers are sent when they click on purchase links. The error page is where members are sent if they encounter an error when they're interacting with their site. This includes members who attempt to log in when their accounts have been canceled, and when visitors attempt to access pages they don't have access to. The Forgot Password page is where members are sent when they want to retrieve their password. The Login page is where members are sent when they want to log in. The Logout page is where members are sent after they've logged out of the system. The My Account page is where members can go to view and manage information associated with their account. The Confirmation core page is where customers are sent following a purchase. And you can create confirmation pages that are specific to each individual product that can be purchased on your site. This is extremely valuable because it gives you the opportunity right on the confirmation page following a purchase to use a purchase link to make a targeted upsell offer to that customer. And then the Member Home core page is where members are sent immediately after they log in. And here you also have the option to create a member homepage specific to each membership level on your site, which gives you the opportunity to provide a tailored homepage for each membership level. Now all of the core pages I just went through were created automatically by MemberMouse when you activated the plugin. And they also include default templates that make them fully functional right out of the box. The Login page includes a login form where members can log into their accounts. The Forgot Password page includes a form members can enter in their email address to retrieve their passwords. The Checkout page includes a fully functional advanced checkout form that collects account information, billing information, shipping information, coupons, and will dynamically adjust itself based on what's being purchased. For example, if the customer is signing up for a free membership level, all the billing information will be hidden, as it's not required for free membership levels. If the customer is already logged into their account, the account information section will be hidden, and the form will be pre-populated with all the data they've already entered into the system to make their checkout experience as efficient as possible. The form also includes advanced form validation and error handling. The confirmation page includes a number of useful smart tags that you may want to utilize on your confirmation page, including smart tags to display account information, order information, and contact information for employees in your company if the customer needs support. And the My Account page includes an area where the member can view their account details, billing information, shipping information, manage their subscriptions, view their order history, and also update their account information. So right out of the box with MemberMouse core pages, you have all the tools in place to get up and running, collecting payments, and signing up new members. Now keep in mind that even though MemberMouse provides all these default functional templates right out of the box, these are all delivered as standard WordPress pages, so they're completely customizable right within the WordPress content editor. For example, if we go to view the Login core page, you'll notice that it's just smart tags in HTML. So say for example on the Forgot Password button, we want to change it from a link to a green button. I'll use the MemberMouse button style here. Click Update, and go view the page, refresh, and now I see the Forgot Password button is a green button. Also say I want to remove the Remember Me checkbox. I go back to edit the page. I find the smart tag that's outputting the Remember Me checkbox, remove it, and click Update. And when we go back to the page and refresh, the Remember Me checkbox is gone. And if you've modified a MemberMouse template and you want to return it to its original form, all you do is go to the MemberMouse templates drop down above the content editor, select the template you want to insert, click the green plus sign, select OK, and I'll update this. And now if we go back to our login page and refresh, we'll see that it's back to the original template that came with MemberMouse. Now this is a simple example, but what I'm demonstrating here is that all of the functionality in MemberMouse core pages are delivered through smart tags. which means that you get all of the advanced functionality to power things like login forms, checkout pages, my account page, etc., without sacrificing the flexibility you have to control layout and style. As I mentioned previously, MemberMouse will create a default page for each core page type when the MemberMouse plugin is installed. Now, with the default core pages and templates that MemberMouse sets up, you have a fully functional site right out of the box. But you may want to utilize MemberMouse's ability to create targeted core pages for individual members. You can create Save the Sale pages that are specific to a membership level, which gives you the opportunity to have a Save the Sale page for a Bronze membership that's different from a Save the Sale page from a Silver membership. Or you may want to have a confirmation page that's specific to a particular product, which gives you an opportunity to offer upsells related to the product that was just purchased on that confirmation page. Or you may want to create member home pages that are specific to membership levels, which gives you the opportunity to have a tailored home page for each membership level. Creating these targeted core pages is simple. All you do is click Add New, and in this case I'm going to create a confirmation page that's specific to the Bronze Standard product so that I can make a targeted upsell offer to the customer. So I'll just call this Confirmation, and I'm going to use the MemberMouse confirmation page template as a starting point. So I just go to the Templates drop-down, select Confirmation, and insert it. And now all I'm going to do is insert a purchase link to the upsell product. So I'll scroll to the top, and right after the thank you line, I'll just insert a message. And then I'll go to my smart tag library, go to Orders, Purchase Link, insert smart tag, and then I would insert the product ID for the upsell product here. And I'm just going to leave that blank for now because we haven't created any other products in our system at this point. And the last thing we need to do is indicate to MemberMouse that this is a confirmation core page. So on the right hand side under MemberMouse options, go to Core Page Settings, select Confirmation, and this is a confirmation page for paid products. And I want this confirmation page to be shown when the Bronze Standard product is purchased. Now you'll notice it says Bronze Membership and then in parentheses Bronze Standard. This is just conveniently displaying to you that the Bronze Standard product is associated with the Bronze Membership. So I just click Publish. And now if we go back to Pages, we'll see that we have a confirmation page set specifically for Bronze Membership. And for more information on using core pages, just go to our support center and view the core pages category. Now that we've covered how you can create products and membership levels in MemberMouse, and demonstrated how customers can purchase membership levels, let's look at the powerful tools MemberMouse provides for easily protecting content and granting access only to those members with the appropriate access rights. I've already created a number of pages on this site that I intend to be members-only content. For example, there's the Getting Started page and the Learning the Basics page. Both of these pages I only want to be accessible to members only. Let's quickly jump over to another browser and look at the Learning the Basics page. So as you can see, currently this page is unprotected because I'm not logged in and I'm able to successfully access the Learning the Basics page. Now let's go back to MemberMouse and I'll show you how we can easily protect this page. All we do is click on the page, and in the upper right corner we have a MemberMouse Options module. And next to Access Rights we just click Grant Access, specify that we want to grant access by membership level, and then select the membership level we want to grant access to. In this case I'm going to select Bronze Membership. And then we can specify the day of the membership that we want to grant access to the content on. This is called drip content scheduling, which allows you to time release content to individual members over time. For this example, I'm going to grant access to the member immediately on day 0 of their membership. So I'm going to go ahead and click Grant Access. And now you can see under Access Rights that it shows us that Bronze members get access to this page on day 0. And if we go back to our other browser and refresh the page, we see that we're redirected to the error page, informing us that we don't have access to view that content. Now if we go back to WordPress again, we can actually continue to expand on the access rights for this page. I'll just click Grant Access again, and this time I'm going to grant access to free members, but I'm going to give them access on day 7 instead of day 0. And I click Grant Access. So now both free members and Bronze members can access this page, but Bronze members get immediate access, and free members need to wait until day 7 in their membership before getting access. Now this is how you can protect content on a one-by-one basis in MemberMouse. But when you have a lot of content to manage, it can become tedious to have to go into each page and post individually every time you want to modify access rights. And that's why we created the drip content schedule. To get to the drip content schedule, just go to the MemberMouse menu, Product Settings, and then click Drip Content Schedule. And I'm going to click Bronze Membership and Free Membership and click View Schedule. So this allows us to get a bird's eye view of all the content that we're protecting in our system, broken down by access rights. In this case, Bronze members versus free members. And right from this page, we can add additional access rights by clicking this plus sign here and selecting a page we want to grant access to. So getting started on day 0, click Grant Access. So now the Bronze member will get access to the Getting Started page and Learning Basics on day 0. And we can also change access rights right from the screen. Just click this, and say Revoke Access, and Update. So now free members no longer have access to any content in the system. You can also use this tool to copy an existing drip content schedule from one membership level to another. Now before moving on to the next topic, I'm going to pause the video and grant access to additional pages for the Bronze members. So now you can see that I've granted additional access to the Bronze membership. And you'll see that over a 5-day period, the Bronze members get access to additional content day by day. Getting started in what you need on day 0, learning the basics on day 1, your first exercise on day 2, etc. Now let's go view our site so I can show you a couple more things about MemberMouse's content protection system. Now the first thing I want to talk about on this page is the Preview Settings bar. The Preview Settings bar allows you to preview your site with any access rights on any day during the drip content schedule. So for example, right now we're viewing this page as a Bronze member on day 0 of their membership. So you'll notice here in Current Lessons I get access to Getting Started and What You'll Need, and here are my upcoming lessons. Now this is accomplished with the MemberMouse Protected Content widget and can easily be configured in the Widgets area of WordPress. And what this widget does is allow you to dynamically display content that's currently available to the member that's logged in, and content that will be available to that member in the future. So as a Bronze member on day 0, this is what I see. If I advance it by 1 day and click Save, and the page refreshes itself to reflect viewing the site as a Bronze member on day 1 of their membership. So now the widgets are updated to display the content I currently have access to now and the content I will have access to in the future. And also, MemberMouse integrates seamlessly into the WordPress menu system. So if I go to the Lessons dropdown, it currently shows me that I have access to 3 pages. And if I increase my drip content schedule by another day and click Save, I'll now see that I have access to 4 pieces of content. So as you can see, the Preview Settings bar is extremely helpful while you're setting up your site, as it allows you to experience your site as different members will experience it. To learn more about content protection in MemberMouse, including more advanced techniques using the Access Decision Smart Tag, visit our support center and go to the Content Protection category. So we've talked about creating products, creating membership levels, purchasing a membership level, and looked at how we protect content using membership levels. Now I want to introduce the concept of bundles. Bundles are another tool that MemberMouse provides for you to be able to protect content. In many regards, bundles behave the same way as membership levels. The main difference is that each member can only have one membership level applied to their account, while they can have unlimited bundles applied to their account. This is a valuable distinction because it gives you a great amount of flexibility in how you deliver content to your members. For example, if you have an upsell offer that you want members of any membership level to be able to purchase, you would use a bundle. When members of any membership level purchase that bundle, they'll immediately get access to the content protected by that bundle. And this will have no effect on the content they get access to through their membership level. So let's go ahead and see how this works. The first thing you need to do is create a product. So you go to Create Product, and I'll call this Secrets of the Pros product. And I'm just going to make this a one-time purchase product, so I'm just going to give it a price of $29.95, and I'm going to click Save Product. Now I'm going to go over to Bundles, and click Create Bundle, and I'm going to call this Secrets of the Pros, and I'm going to specify that the bundle type is paid. And just like membership levels, you can have multiple products associated with a single bundle, meaning you have complete flexibility over how much customers will pay to get access to this bundle. So I'm just going to select Secrets of the Pros product and click Save Bundle. So now I'm going to go create a page that only members with this bundle will be able to access. So we go to Pages, we have a page called Secrets of the Pros, and just like membership levels, we go over to Grant Access, and this time we're going to grant access by bundle, select Secrets of the Pros, and we're going to say that they'll get access to this on day 0, and click Grant Access. And now only members who have purchased the Secrets of the Pros bundle will be able to access this content. Now, it's not required that a customer be a member in order to purchase a bundle. Bundles can be purchased by members and non-members. If a non-member purchases a bundle, then MemberMouse will automatically create an account for them with a default free membership level. Let's see how this works. So we go to Product Settings, Bundles, go to Purchase Links, select the product that we want to buy, in this case Secrets of the Pros product, and I'll copy the purchase link, go over to another browser, paste that in. So now I'm purchasing the Secrets of the Pros product as a new member, and I just click Submit Order, and that went through successfully. And now as this member, I can go ahead and access the Secrets of the Pros page. And if we go back to MemberMouse and go to Manage Members, we'll see a new account was created and a free membership level was applied, and the Secrets of the Pros bundle was also applied to that account. And if we go view their account and go to transaction history, we'll see that they paid $29.95.